Hello, my name is Bogden. I'm a country line dance teacher at Nick's Nightclub in Allentown, Pennsylvania. And what I'm going to do is give you a brief lesson on my favorite choreography. The dance is called Ain't It Amazing. It goes to the song by High Valley, She's With Me. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance with 1-step change and a restart. So we're going to walk you through each section so you can follow along. Section 1, first 8 count, starts with a right coaster step forward and a left coaster step backwards. So it's forward, right, left coaster step, left, right, 2 quarter turn steps, face the back wall, quarter turn with the right, quarter turn with your left, weights on your left, and a right coaster step, right. Section 1, the count on that, coaster step front forward is 1 and 2, left coaster step 3 and 4, quarter turns 5, 6, coaster 7 and 8. Section 2 starts with 2 scissor steps, weights on your right. We're going to start with the left, rock and cross, right scissor step, rock and cross. We're going to make 3 quarter turns over our right shoulder. Step back on the left for a quarter, forward on the right for a quarter, left for a quarter, and for the 8 count, touch your right toe behind your left. Section 2, rock and cross, right, rock and cross, 3 quarter turns, back left, turn right, turn left, touch right. Section 3, you start with 3 shuffles, traveling backwards, eventually making a quarter turn back to the wall you started. So we're heading backwards with the touch, right foot's free to go backwards, right, make a quarter turn for a left chassé, left, and a cross shuffle, right. We're going to finish at 8 count with a left rock and recover our weight back to our right. To our right, shuffle back 1 and 2, quarter turn 3 and 4, cross shuffle 5 and 6, rock for 7, recover for 8. Section 4, we're traveling to our right, half of a weave, cross, side, and then a syncopated behind side cross. When we start with a new roll, 2 1/8 turn pivots. Sway right, recover left, sway right, recover left for a total of a quarter turn. This would be a new wall, weights on your left. Section 4, cross, side, syncopated behind side cross, 8 pivots, right, recover. To go through it all together, starting at the top with the right front coaster step, right, left, quarter turn, right coaster step, left scissor step, right scissor step, 3 quarter turns, left, with a touch. Back shuffles, right, turn left, cross shuffle, and rock, recover, cross, side, behind side cross, little pivot. The restart on wall 3, this is wall 2. When we get to wall 3, on the first 8 count, there's a step change. It goes very well to the music. Begins with a right front coaster step, right, left coaster step, left, 2 quarter turns, right, and then we just step right, and the dance restarts back on the front wall. Thank you for watching, and I'd like to thank Johan and Zach for helping me make this video.